around and see what the room is like. Okay.
Where are we?
We are in Paradisus, the Reserve Beach Suites. And then this is your thing. The switch is right. The main switch is right here. And then if you turn to your left, we have our walk-in closet. Ta-da! And then we get our own bathrobe and slippers. And
It's like a
the
walk-in
same-
closet,
like-
huh?
Yeah, it's like a walk-in closet. And then if we go this way, there's like a mini dining room.
How come it's black already?
There's and these are just like drawers, empty drawers. On this side is your kind of like a living room. We have here our like coffee set, snacks. We also have a mini bar.
Oh, mini bar. The mini bar with no oops.
Mini bar, no alcohol, just beer, juice, and some sodas. It
Yeah.
all comes with the all-inclusive. And here, just something, I don't know. Oh my gosh.
Forgot. So we are
There is it.
there is a
Yung focus later. And then we'll go on this side. I'll show you guys
our
bedroom. Our bedroom. This is the bedroom. And there's another mini bar right here. Ang ganda. I mean, there you go.
They keep falling.
Water keeps falling. Okay, so it's the same thing: beer, soda, and water. Odin.
This is our son that's making
Yeah.
everything.
More snacks.
More snacks.
And then if we turn this way,
Mm.
dun, 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 dun. Boom. So we have an indoor bathtub.
This is my second favorite part. I'll show you the first.
This one, it's kind of like Bali. Kulang na lang ng flowers. We just need the flowers. And then here's in her sink. We got our little shampoo.
Smell good?
Smells good.
Regular cologne. Yeah, I like regular colognes.
And then other amenities, toothbrushes. Yay! Bar of soap. And then here, another sink. It's a pretty big room, right? And online it doesn't look as big, like it looks small, to be honest. And there's our shower, 2 showers, jet showers, is that what they call? Something like that. And then you still get like the shampoo and conditioner and then the soap right there. And then a separate is the toilet.
That's the toilet.
Look, there's like a faucet in the toilet. Like, what are you gonna call it here?
You know, just in case you need help pooping.
Stupid.
You
But,
know.
you know, it's like a Europe style separate toilet and shower. So now we're gonna go back to our living room and then
We'll show you the outside.
are you guys ready? Ta-da!
Ta-da!
So this is our view. Okay, come outside. Then we have to close that thing. And then we have our own tub right here.
This is my most favorite thing. Yeah.
You take it to the tub, overlooking that thing, that beach. Oh my goodness! And then we have our own little cabana,
Nice.
right? And out there, that is our view. Wow.
Oh, it's hot.
So
There's one of the main pool.
Cabanas right there. Or is it this one? This one.
That one too.
So, wow. I'm actually speechless. I did not think the room is this big.
Wait.
It's really nice. So now I don't know what we're gonna do. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna go eat at the buffet.
We're gonna go eat at the buffet. We'll see you guys later. So if you guys are planning to tour Punta, can we go on the side? It's hot.
Wanna finish what you wanna say first?
So if you guys are planning to tour Punta Cana, try and check out Paradisus Palma Real, the beach resort. Wow.
Wow.
Wow, Odin.
You and your cooking with your beach. Wow.
Wow. So like, I hope you guys like the room tour, and we'll see you guys later. We're gonna go get some lunch. Bye. There's also an in-room dining. Let me see what it has for breakfast. Quick bites, 11 to 6 a.m. 11 a.m. to 6 a.m. Oh wow, that's good. Pizzas, but the drinks are with fee. All right, we'll see you guys later. I said that earlier, but I forgot to show this.